Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Kalami ka jingya pher jingmot hapo kasem jong ka United Democratic Party, hadin ba u General Secretary jong ka party, u Dr. Gemino Mautho, ulapha da ka jingtho sa Menteri rang ba jong ka jilla ban wengno, na ka Shuki Menteri u James PK Sangma, but u Chief Managing Director jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, u Arun Kumar Kembhavi, halor ka jinglip boarding ka ba arpusaw kanta ha ka jilla baro kaway, kabalakta hado kata-kata yaki paitba nong song jong ka jilla, but kam tam yaki kena school, ki badang pen kere yaki examen beper ki jongki. Hawaya keren bat ka Batisi TV, u MLA ka UDP u ba la kemen rembui u laong, u balong ru Menteri ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, u laong ba kani jing pha jing tho jong u Dr. Gemino Mautho, kadai ka bamshim laya keren hapo ka party, bat la kantaj warru, ban menjor lang yakani ka jingdawa jong ka party, da ka baong, ba kumu Menteri u badan hapo ka Sorkar, shim layo jing tip bakan don kum kani ka jingdawa.
We have not discussed in the or parliamentary party regarding that issue of anybody dropping or stripping of the portfolio. And in fact, in the party also, to the best of my knowledge, we have not discussed this issue at all. And there is a forum for anything to sort out there is internal forum in the MDA to sort out any issues which is concern for the government. We have a MDA coordination committee, so if there is any issue, that is the right forum to discuss for that. So it is not the question of endorse or not endorse, but the question is that now we have not discussed in the parliamentary party of this issue, and moreover that if at all there is an issue which we discuss, we have to discuss in the MDA coordination committee. It has not been discussed, at least with us as a legislator of the UDP. If I speak here for myself, I cannot speak for others, but to the best of my knowledge, it's not been discussed. And even if they discuss also, as I tell you, there is a forum which we have to thrash out, or if there is any difference. That forum is the MDA coordination committee. You see, you have seen that the power department, the MECL, have tried its best to do whatever it can within its capacity. And in the last 3 years, we have seen senior most bureaucrat holding the post of CMD. Okay, there may be some issue, and then we have seen that technocrat from the MECL itself have hold the post of CMD. After that, we have seen that the senior MCS officer also holding the post of CMD. And now we have seen that junior, so to say, middle level IS officer also holding the post. So I have seen that this intention there is that the government is trying to do its best to see who is the best, what is the best thing to do, because we need to strengthen the MECL, we need to strengthen its operation. But it is a very sad thing that not only that, we have seen that the power minister in his statement in the floor of the house, that having seen that the AT&C loss, aggregate transmission and commercial loss in Karo Hills, is a massive 87%. If my memory is, I could recall, then he has appointed a chief engineer rank to oversee in that Karo Hills. So we are moving, but let's hope that all this effort may be fructified so that we could help to solve this power crisis in the state of Meghalaya. Because until and unless the billing, collection of revenue is streamlined, it is very difficult. It is very difficult because now you pay the loan, and suddenly the new power which you consume, we have to pay that also. They have issue. I am telling, at least nobody ever consult me. Nobody ever consult me. I'm here yesterday in my office. Nobody ever consult me. So they should consult, because if as a coalition partner, without going through the proper mechanism, what is the point of staying in the government? Better say you pull out. So it is the question of how to approach. There is a coordination committee which oversee if there any issue to thrust out. So bring this issue to that committee, which comprise all the coalition partner, not only the MLA, all the coalition partner represented by senior member, so that they will thrust out. So as of for me, so it is. But let's hope that tomorrow or the after tomorrow we can discuss any differences, if there, whether in the party or outside the party, we could solve only through mutual discussion. I cannot. I'm not the one who will advise, but I'm speaking in the context of being in a democracy. We should consult. The wider consultation should be there. Especially we are in the government. In the government, part of the government, not in the government, part of the government. Whether we have discussed this power crisis at the government level, yes, we have discussed. The cabinet as a whole have discussed. It's not a cabinet meeting. Have discussed this issue, because regarding this issue with the chief minister, and chief minister has assured us that he will see that how this issue will be resolved, and it is unacceptable. And I have seen that the Power Minister has explained thoroughly, and in fact, if I may recall, more than 10 hours of discussion have been discussed regarding this power scenario. So I have seen also that they have taken up, because this is this issue the Chief Minister has discussed with the power generating company. The Power Minister also himself has met the Power Ministry of Government of India, because this is not the issue which we could solve then and there. So from the government, we are trying. Everybody is trying to sort out this issue. As I said before, it disturbs all walk of life. I feel pity for the student. Many of the students outside the country, outside the state, who study outside the state, they are doing the exam now. And if there is no electricity, and we have seen that when there is no electricity, I don't know how come even the network also is disturbed. So this really disrupt the whole, walk of life in the state of Meghalaya. That is a party affairs matter. I'm speaking here as the part of parliamentary party, which we have not discussed regarding this letter. We ask this for myself. If we discuss with anybody, that I don't know.
So we can say that this demand has never come from the parliamentary
party. Yes, you can say that. The fact of the matter is this: that this power issue is a crisis in the state. This affects everybody. The issue which taken by the party is right. It's right for this power crisis, but the process of wider consolation is not there.